you have to click. The tangent point has to be the point that's the smoothest side. See, like it didn't want to do a tangent there because it didn't think it would work. Click it from there. Still doesn't want to be tangent, but alright, whatever. It's being annoying, and I don't like that, but you deal with it.
This is so hard.
Hard. And there.
Dude, I can't even.
Whatever.
Yes.
Alright. That's not tangent. Well, you do it right, this blue should appear, and it's tangent to this whatever endpoint line you did it on, and it's pretty and all that stuff. But it doesn't want to right now. But I'm actually just going to shorten this line by a bit. Halfway. Go away. There we go. Should work better now. Here. No. Okay. Here. No. Okay. Here. Dang it. Alright, whatever. So let's just go kind of like there-ish. And that kind of there-ish. And well, whatever.
You have to delete the line.
You have to.
No, the line that you would want to delete is that one. And it's not there. So, to make your life easier, you don't have to deal with annoying angles. Press scale again and make it like 4 times as wide. You can get your angle right. Like here. See, now it does the blue thing. Make sure it's blue. Click it, and now it's tangent to that edge.
That looks really like a good skateboard.
And then you take it all, press scale again. You do it as 0.25, that's the other way of 1/4 inch.
They're just beautiful.
There you
Oh
go.
my gosh.
And now it's curved.
Good thing I got it on video.
And now it's really curved and fancy and stuff. And if you want this bottom part to be curved, you can just click from there to there. Yay. And then
What the heck?
draw a line and just cut it in half. There. Cool. And then there you go. And then you erase your interior lines because you don't need them. You don't need that one.
Don't need
You
your
don't need that
interior
one.
lines.
And you're done. And there's your weird shaped skateboard. Cool. And then if you want to do things, you can either blow this up, blow this one up, make this whole thing a component again.
So just exploding it, make it so it's not.
Yeah, just get rid of the componentness of it. And then now it's all one shape, and you can go into it and just erase this line. Push pull, make it an 1/8 inch, but because this is like a 40-foot long board, just gonna make it like a foot. There, just to make it obvious. And then since you have this as a component, take it, make it 4 times, place, place, place. There we go. And now you just line it all up. Oh, there we go. Here, here, and then
Why are you stopping?
Because
Because
it's
this
layers.
is-
To make it flimsy.
yeah,
It feels
Onions
like-
have layers.
well, the boards all have layers
to
themselves.
allow it to bend.
Overs are like onions.
Move it over there. Sometimes if
Thick
you're zooming in
skateboard.
like this, it'll have this little plus sign and it's making a copy. Just move it a little bit and it'll fix itself. There you go, and now it's all stacked up. And then here's the essence of a very strange 40-foot long skateboard. Then you go in here, just into one of the parts, and draw your center line back again. You have it as a reference. And then you can put your hole placement just by going up to the side, making a rectangle. It's like yay big. Make holes on it that are, I don't know, yay large.
Kevin, how did you?
Do the
When
whole
you just
thing.
made that the rectangle, how did it know to make it the 4 layers?
It's because it's a component. It's just like how we did the mirroring sides, and now it's just doing it 4 times. Because these are each the same component. So when you edit one, it edits all the others. And that's how it does it. Just fancy. And apparently we have foot radius holes. We're fancy like that. Now that's draw a center line. This is all gonna be dimensionally accurate when you do it. I'm just throwing this together.
It's better than
And
mine,
then
however.
you make it
I'll tell you that.
a group or component. You can make it a component. It doesn't really matter.
CAD universe.
Grab it from there and you put it on the center line there. You copy. Grab the center line. Put it without a positive one. There. And now you have the essence of the skateboard. And what you can do, if you want, just go back in here. Blow this thing up. You can, it's literally just a part or a component right now just so you can make it easier on yourself for aligning it. Blow it up, blow this one up. And then erase that marking, that marking, that one, that one, that one. Over here, same thing.
Do you erase the lines of rectangles?
You can if you want. It doesn't really matter. And then the push pull, that thing, just have it cut through it. I made it a foot thick board. Foot. Foot.
Only a layer.
Yeah. But only layers of foot. But since it's the same component, it's all the way through. You go over here, do the same thing over here. Come on, do it right. One foot.
Can you mix
One foot. And one foot. There you go. There's your
Can my skateboard just be
basic
this?
skateboard, and then you can just
Can I buy that?
do this, that,
That would be
do the center thing, and you view or no camera, parallel projection,
I'll give you 5,001.
top. Dang it. Okay, it's long, it's lengthwise, but we want to rotate the entire thing. Okay, so that it's long ways of your monitor. And then let's select, zoom in, and then you export your photo and then print it and cut it. Stuff. Yay.
Any part of that you want to clarify? Hey, Tyler, did you record that?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Oh, like most of it.
Good.
Thank
Put
you.
it on your website.
Extra,
Okay.
extra credit.
Yeah, no, I was thinking about what's happening. It's a good that you have.